In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change year-end on QuickBooks Online. If your business doesn't follow the calendar year, updating your fiscal year in QuickBooks Online ensures your reports, budgets, and comparisons line up with how you actually operate. In QuickBooks, this setting is controlled by the first month of fiscal year, and changing it adjusts the way this fiscal year and year-to-date reports are calculated. It won't alter any past transactions, it simply changes how your books are summarized and presented. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online company with an admin level user. In the upper right corner of your screen, click the Settings gear icon. This opens a menu where you manage your company and preferences. From that menu, choose Account and Settings. This is where the core company configuration lives, and it's the right place to update items that affect reporting and accounting behavior. On the left-hand side of Account and Settings, select Advanced. The Advanced area groups together features that influence how your books work behind the scenes. Within the Advanced page, find the Accounting section. Open it to reveal options related to your fiscal year and accounting method. Here, look for the field labeled First Month of Fiscal Year. Use the drop-down to pick the correct month. A helpful way to think about this: choose the month that starts your new fiscal year. For example, if your year end is June 30th, your first month of fiscal year is July. If your year end is December 31st, your first month is January. After selecting the appropriate month, click Save. Saving confirms the change and tells QuickBooks to apply the new fiscal year structure to your reports going forward. A few practical tips as this takes effect. Reports that rely on fiscal year logic, like profit and loss for this fiscal year, will now use your new starting month, which can change totals and comparisons you're used to seeing. This change does not modify historical entries, dates, or reconciliations. It only reframes the reporting periods. If you maintain budgets by fiscal year, confirm that your budget periods align with the new start month. Also, if you use a book's closing date, remember that is a separate control. Changing the fiscal year does not remove or change any close date you've set. If you aren't sure which month to use, check your incorporation documents or ask your accountant to confirm your statutory year end before saving. Getting this right now will save time when you run year-end reports, prepare taxes, or compare periods across multiple years. That's it. Your QuickBooks Online file now reflects the correct fiscal year.